What's up man? Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka sa channel na to, I'm Joms and I'm uploading almost daily or weekly about dating and relationships, specifically about polarity. So polarity is the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So if you want to attract more feminine women, you need to improve your masculinity. And doon umiikot lahat ng aking contents. So if interesado ka on being the best masculine version of yourselves when it comes to dealing with women, when it comes to having relationships with them, or building, tama, or basically trying to deal with women, trying to have relationships with women, then tamang-tama ka sa channel na to. No. Now, sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on how to get over her test or objections. For example, kapag tinetest ka ng babae, kapag nag-o-object siya sa'yo, basically kapag tinutoyo sila and kinokontra ka nila, inaasar ka nila, china-challenge ka nila. So, all of that are tests. Okay? So, video na to, pag-usapan natin yon. So, before tayo mapunta dun sa main topic, gusto ko lang i-plug. Meron akong on-demand online video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers in which doon mo malalaman how to naturally attract women by triggering their biological buttons little by little hanggang magustuhan ka na nila. So this is by using yung tinatawag kong attraction inertia method. And if ikaw ay torpe, laging nababasted, palaging nare-reject, nag-ghost ng babae or napupunta sa friend zone, then tamang-tama sa'yo yung on-demand video program ko na yan. So kung gusto mo yon, check mo lang yung link nasa description box, click mo na lang. So balik tayo doon sa video. So una, gusto ko munang i-discuss sa inyo kung bakit ba tayo tinitest ng babae. Okay? So kasi yung mga test ng mga babae is hindi na mawawala yan. Okay? They are programmed or biologically programmed to test every man na papapasukin nila sa buhay nila. Okay? It's been always like that. Kasi nga, even if sa mga hayop, sa lahat, okay, they will test a man to see kung gaano ba siya kalakas, kung how strong he is, or how masculine he is. Okay? Kumbaga, check kunwari, pag may nakita siyang lalaki, merong armor, kunwari nakita niyo yung and knight in shining knight in shining armor niya, lagi siyang merong pantusok, okay? Check niya yung armor mo kung saan yung weakest side mo, saan yung weakest, kung merong mambutas yan, kung saan kanya matitrigger, okay? Kung saan kanya maiinis, kung saan kanya, alam mo yun, kung saan kanya matitrigger, basta yun yung word kung saan kanya matitrigger. Kahit anong emotions man yan, kung saan kanya kung paano kanya maiinis, okay, paano niya makukuha yung inis mo, paano niya makukuha yung galit mo, paano niya makukuha yung emotions mo, okay? She will trigger you. And sobrang galing namang babae pagdating diyan. Okay? Sila talaga yung ano diyan, sila talaga yung pinakamagaling. Okay? Laging makukuha ng babae yung inis mo. Okay? So, the better you are with your words, okay, the more she will test you. Okay? The more na nakikita ka niya na, uy, parang ang very masculine ng lalaking to. Okay? Very strong tong lalaking to. The more na may interest siya sa'yo, the more na itetest ka niya. Okay? So, the more na magaling ka magsalita, the more na sobrang smooth ka sa babae, the more na ang galing mong mang-reads, okay? The more charisma you have, itetest niya. The more na itetest ka niya. Again, meron siyang panusok at meron kang armor. Okay? Ang gagawin niya, tutusok-tusukin niya yung armor mo, check niya kung meron bang may weak point ka ba. Okay? Because she wants to know if you are truly what you say you are. Okay? Kaya hindi gumagana yung mga performative male na tactic. Kaya hindi gumagana yung mga fake alpha-alphahan na dapat alpha ako, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi gumagana yung fake na dapat galit ka lang palagi sa babae na kasi feeling mo doon ka nila magugustuhan. You're faking your personality, you're faking your character in front of every woman. Hindi gagana yun. Kasi they will test you. She will always find out kung ano yung mga weakness mo. She will always find out kung pinipeke mo ba yung character mo, yung personality mo pagdating sa kanya. Kasi once na malaman niyang pinipeke mo, yung character, yung personality mo for the sake na magustuhan ka niya, for sure, mato-turn off yan sa'yo. Okay, kasi makikita niya, sobrang weak mo eh. Putya, performance lang pala lahat. Okay, para lang magustuhan mo siya. And when it comes to relationship, hindi mo maitatago yung tunay na ikaw. Okay, hindi mo maitatago yun. And also, gugustuhin mo ba na hindi ka gugustuhin mo bang hindi ka gugustuhin mo bang magustuhan ka ng babae dahil pinipeke mo yung personality mo? Na all throughout the relationship, ang gagawin mo, pepekein mo lang yung mga gusto mo, yung mga interest mo, yung behaviors mo. For sure, lalabas at lalabas yan. Kaya maraming kaya hindi gumagana yung ligaw for me. For me, hindi talaga gumagana yung ligaw. Kasi best foot forward lagi ang lalaki. Okay? Ligaw for me is very performative. Best foot forward yung lalaki na akala mo ang bait-bait, alam mo ang hindi makabasag pinggan, na sobrang generous. Alam mo yun? Yung everything is a performance para makuha yung oo ng babae. Everything is a performance. Kaya pag naging sila, wala na, naging complacent na. Kasi nakuha na yung gusto eh. Nagbabago na. And dun magsa-start mag-decline yung relationship. So para sa akin, nagsayang lang kayo ng oras. Okay. Well, both parties naman when it comes sa ligawan is nagpe-perform. Okay. Yung ligaw itself, both parties is nasa performance mode. Kunwari, yung lalaki, di ba nga, yun nga, best foot forward. Yung babae naman, pakipot naman. And because nagpapakipot siya, kasi nga, yun yung pinapakita ng lalaki. Nagpe-perform. Again, the feminine will reflect what energy you give. So, if performative yung energy na binibigay mo, magiging performative rin siya, magiging pakipot din siya. Okay? Hindi magiging genuine, hindi magiging authentic yung magiging takbo ng relationship nyo kapag ganun. So, sa simula pa lang, again, don't perform. Ipakita mo agad kung sino ka. Okay? Ipakita mo agad kung yung mundo mo. And then siya bahala kung gusto niya sumama sa mundo mo. Okay? Back to the topic. So, dun sa the way she will test you is chine-check niya if she can lead you, she can take control, she can trigger your emotions. Check niya kung kaya mo bang kontrolin yung emotions mo. That's why she will try to trigger yung mga emotions mo. Kunwari, pag sobrang happy ka ba, nawawala ka ba sa sarili mo? Kapag nagagalit ka ba, nawawala ka ba sa sarili mo? Kapag pag kinakabahan ka, again, she will trigger a lot of emotions. Kumbaga, yung the highest of your emotions, and i-check niya if kaya mong kontrolin yung sarili mo when you are feeling heightened emotions. Okay? Kasi again, they're looking for safety. Titingnan nila kung gaano sila ka-safe sa'yo. So, gusto nila ng lalaking malakas. Malakas ang control. Okay? You can feel emotions. Again, hindi ko sinasabing dapat hindi kayo magalit, dapat hindi kayo matuwa ng sobra, dapat hindi kayo, ano mo yun? Dapat hindi kayo makaramdam ng feelings, ng emotions. Tao tayo, hindi mawawala yan. Okay? Hindi mawawala yung feelings and emotions. Okay? Pag sinabi kong you can control your emotions is even if nakakaramdam ka ng galit, alam mo kung paano gumawa ng good decisions. Okay? Yun yung sinasabi natin merong self-control sa emotions. Na kontrolado mo yung emotions mo. Kahit na sobrang saya ka, you can still manage to have a good decision. Because women are security-seeking creatures. That's why gusto nila malaman kung safe ba sila sa'yo. And ang pinakadelikadong lalaki is yung lalaki hindi kayang kontrolin yung emotions niya. Di ba usually kapag nakakita kayo sa news ng mga lalaking kriminal, mga nakapatay, naka-murder, naka-rape, basta anything na nakakagawa ng masama, it's always been sinasabi nila, nadala lang po ako ng emosyon ko. See how dangerous a man if he cannot control his emotions. That's why tinitest ng babae kung kaya mo, kung ititest ka palagi ng babae. Okay? She will test you, she will challenge you, she will object. Itatry niya palaging i-trigger ka. Itatry niya palaging ilabas o pasukin yung armor mo to see kung sino ka ba talaga. Okay? So, every time na tinetest ka niya, she will check niya kung you will fold, you will break character, you will lose control, ibibigay mo ba yung power sa kanya, you will lose the lead, o kumbaga magsasubmit ka sa kanya, magsusurrender ka sa kanya, or you will stay in control, you will stay grounded, kumbaga you can control your emotions, you can also lead her, you can still manage to do good decisions even if you are in a heightened emotional state. Okay? So, when she is testing you, when she is challenging you, when she is trying to trigger your emotions, huwag kang magagalit, okay? Huwag kang magagalit kasi usually yung guys na, ano eh, yun eh, pag wala na, edi kapag nagalit ka, edi nanalo na siya. Parang nakuha na niya yung ano mo, yung inis mo. So, huwag kayong magagalit. Again, they are programmed like that. Biologically programmed like that. Okay? They're looking for a man who is strong enough. Okay? And that's how they do it. So, make sure na anuhin niyo sa isip niya, hindi niya ako inaatake. She is not attacking me. She is not insulting me. Okay? She is just measuring my strength. So, every time na tinetest ka ng babae, china-challenge ka, ino-object ka, she is trying to control you, ilagay nyo sa isip nyo, be aware na this is just a test. Okay? This is my moment to set the tone and showcase my leadership. Okay? Every time yun. Every time na tinetest ka ng babae, this is my chance to showcase my strength and leadership. So, huwag kang maiinis, huwag kang magagalit sa kanya, unless sobra yung I mean, pwede kang magalit, okay? Pwede kang magalit, pwede kang makaramdam ng galit, pwede kang makaramdam ng inis. But always make sure na you can still control those emotions. Okay? You can still make good decisions. Na grounded ka pa rin yan. For me, ang pinakaano talaga is hindi ko pinapakita talaga na ano niya ako, na ano yun, natitrigger niya ako. So, pero ano naman yun based sa based sa level, yung tolerance mo. Ganyan. Basta lagi makukuha ng babae yung inis mo. So, it's really important to learn about your emotions, kung ano yung mga trigger mo. So, every time na tinitrigger ka niya, alam mo kung paano i-soothe, kung paano pababain yung heightened emotions mo. Alam mo rin kung paano ka makakagawa ng good decisions kapag nasa ganong state, kapag nasa heightened emotional state ka, kahit anong emotions pa yan, kahit anong feelings pa yan. Alright? Ito yung sabi ko sa inyo, it's a perfect timing. Yun yung dapat nasa isip nyo It's a perfect timing to showcase my strength and leadership. So yun, so huwag kayong magagalit sa kanila, don't hate them for testing you, don't hate them for challenging you. Hindi mo na matatanggal yan. Every woman na makakasalamuha mo will test you. That's how they are biologically programmed. So, in order for you to ito talaga yung ito yung pinaka number one solution for that one is self-belief. Self-belief talaga yung foundation behind having that control, having that leverage, having that power whenever women are testing you. Okay? So, yung mga kahit ano pang tactics yung gawin mo, kahit anong mga lines yung gawin mo, kahit anong kahit anong routines yung gawin mo, kung wala kang self-belief, lagi kang matatalo, lagi kang mag-fail sa mga test nila. And once you fail the test, doon na sila mag-start ma-turn off sa'yo. So, the stronger your self-belief is, the higher your perceived value. So, the more na magiging high value ka sa paningin nila. Kasi, the more na makikita nila, ay, safe ako dito sa lalaking to. Okay? He can still make good decisions. He can still reinforce his boundaries. Hindi siya tumitiklop sa akin. Kasi kung alam kong hindi siya tumitiklop ng ganun kadali sa akin, alam kong hindi siya titiklop sa iba. Kahit anong problemang ibigay sa kanya, hindi siya titiklop dun. And that symbolizes strength. Again, kung nandito ka sa channel na to, the most attractive trait for a woman is strength. It's not looks, it's not money. Part lang yun. They are looking for strength. So again, the way to get over her tests and objections is having strength. Okay, strength and humor. Yan. For me, humor din, yun. Na kapag tinetest ka niya, ito for example, bibigyan ko yun ng example. Kapag, kunwari, nagdadrive ka, sinundo mo siya, first time mo siyang sunduin. And then sinabi niya, siguro marami ka ng babaeng sinundo, no? Yung mga ganun. Yun, for example, test yun. She will test you kung paano ka mag-react. Okay? So yun, mga subtle test. I-check niya, oy, gaano ba confident tong lalaking to? Gaano ba ka, alam mo yun, yung check nila, gaano ako ka-safe sa lalaking to? So, paano mo, ano yun? Paano mo ipapass yun? Paano mo ipapasa yung test na yun? So, by being confident and adding a little humor. So, for me, mahilig ako sa humor ni. Na hindi ko siya tinitake seriously. Kumbaga, every time na tinetest ka ng babae, kasi nga, dahil nga alam mo that they are biologically programmed like that, hindi mo na siya i-take personally. Kumbaga, alam mo na, okay, this is my time to showcase my strength and leadership. This is my time to showcase also yung humor ko. Kasi hindi ko siya tinitake personally. Hindi ako nai-insecure about that question. So, sabihin mo, oo, pang 36 ka na nga eh. Yung mga ganun. And then, ngingitian mo lang siya. Or pwede mo ibalik sa kanya yung question, oo, pang 36 ka na nga eh. Ikaw ba, ilan na ba yung mga naghatid sa'yo? Yung mga ganun. Feel ko mas marami. So, you need to have that, you need to have that strength, you need to have that control. Okay? Ang mindset mo dito lagi, kapag test ka na babae, this is my time to showcase my leadership, my strength and leadership. So yun, hopefully you enjoyed this program. Again, if na-enjoy mo tong program na to, I have a on-demand online video program called Attraction Inertia Triggers. Check mo na lang yung link sa description box. If palagi ka natutorpe, nababasted, na friend zone, at nare-reject, that online video program can help you. So meron din ako dyan mga bonuses. Sobrang daming bonuses akong nilagay dyan, 5 ata. And makukuha mo yun for free if you avail the program. So yun lang. Hopefully, makita kita sa susunod kong video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Comment mo na din kung meron ka mga questions. I'm trying to answer each other comment na makikita ko under my video. So, yun lang. See you on the next one.